Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious honey lollipops from scratch. First, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of honey, and 1/4 cup of water. A candy thermometer, lollipop molds, and lollipop sticks are also crucial. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring you can work quickly when needed. Next, combine your sugar, honey, and water in a heavy pot. Stir gently over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. Continue to boil the mixture, carefully monitoring the temperature with your candy thermometer. You're aiming for the hard crack stage, which is between 300 and 310 degrees Fahrenheit. Reaching this precise temperature is key for perfectly hard lollipops. Once your syrup hits the hard crack stage, remove it from the heat right away. If you're adding any flavorings like a few drops of lemon essential oil or a dash of cinnamon, stir them in quickly now. Then, working carefully and swiftly, pour the hot syrup into your prepared lollipop molds. Don't forget to insert the lollipop sticks, twisting them slightly to ensure they are well coated. Let your lollipops cool and harden completely in their molds, which usually takes about 30 to 60 minutes. Once firm, carefully pop them out. To keep them from getting sticky, wrap each lollipop individually in plastic wrap or a small piece of parchment paper. Store your homemade honey lollipops in an airtight container in a cool, dry place to maintain their freshness and delightful texture for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.